And there it is, my objective, Biscuits and Birds, a new restaurant that just opened up on Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach. Before we go any further, follow me at Famous Phil across social media. Type in Philip N. Williams into Google. Check out my IMDb page, Phil WCEO on IG. I don't really do Facebook. I don't mess with Facebook. Wow, so it's packed over here. I'm going to go inside. I don't know why people sit in the drive-thru for 45 minutes. I guess they're getting their Chick-fil-A on type of energy. And kind of a weird parking lot. A lot of people here. I'm going to go inside, but I think inside is packed as well. You find a good place to piss-arc. And this will do. I've never eaten here before. I've never heard of this place before. I saw it being built, so I'm going to try it, let you all know what it is. Very strange parking lot, very strange building. And I'm going inside. A little bit excited. Biscuits are always good. Making them around to the side here. Don't block the drive-thru. Oh, damn. This joint is packed.
Regular chicken.
All right, man, that joint was packed, but I got my food. Very efficient service. They came out and take your order while you are in line. Got it like that. Now I'm going to pose for my cover art for my video, so just hold still. Maybe like that. Or like that. How about down? The low angle, the high angle. I think I like that one. All right, I'm going to try it out. All right, let's see what's going on after I wipe my hands. So I got the grilled chicken biscuit. Okay, look at that. It's kind of a standard fast food setup. They were very busy, and I like the fact that they come out with a tablet and take your order while you are in line if you're paying with a card. That's a nice touch. Very friendly service. Now they gave me 2 orders. I don't hope they didn't charge me for 2 because I only ordered 1, but whatever. One has fries and the other has potato rounds. And I'm going to try it here. Not bad. The biscuit is really good. The chicken is good, but there seems to be some type of a seasoning on it. Nothing small aftertaste. It wasn't bad, but I'm not big on heavy seasoning, you know. I like the biscuit. Okay, the chicken is a little bit tough. I'm not going to hold you up. And a sweet iced tea. Not bad. Iced tea is good. Not overly sweet. That's a plus. This chicken could be a little bit more tender. Now, they have several options. They have fried chicken. It seems like fried is more their thing, and chicken tenders. So okay, upon the third bite, I'm not too crazy about the chicken. And they gave me one more. I don't think they charged me. I think they gave me 2. So I don't know. All that for about $9. I'm gonna go about a 7. There's kind of a funky seasoning on the chicken, which it's not bad. I won't say I won't be back. I might get something else besides the grilled chicken biscuit next time. Not bad. I think if they take whatever seasoning they're putting on it off and just make it a plain like black pepper and or a little bit of salt, maybe. I'm going to go 8, okay? Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me at P77 Rolling as well on IMDb as Philip N. Williams. I'll see you later.
And so the bag caught my eye from the side. This is a company of Hardee's. I mean, the bag says Hardee's. I didn't know that. I just saw the sign from the road. Now it's all coming clear. I'm going to change it to a 7. Don't know if I'll be back. The seasoning, it was the seasoning.